everyone! Today I'm gonna show our stay-at-home science fair. I'm interested with lungs, so I am going to research how lungs work and its main function. What is lungs? Lungs is about a group of organs and tissues that work together to help us breathe. The lungs take in oxygen from the air and release carbon dioxide back into the air. A human has two lungs, the right lung and the left lung. The left lung is slightly smaller than the right lung to make room for the human heart. The right lung has three lobes, upper, middle, and lower lobe. The lungs are located on either side of the breastbone and the chest cavity. People need oxygen in order to live. The air we breathe contains oxygen and other gases. The lungs' respiratory system allows us to breathe. And now I'll show you my model. Whoa! This is my lung model. This lung model is to demonstrate what happens when we breathe. This straw represents trachea, and this is called bronchi. These two balloons are gonna represent like lungs. I will show you how our lungs work. See? When you breathe in, your lungs fill with air just like the balloon. And when you breathe out, your diaphragm squeezes in, pushing all the air out your lungs. Much like a balloon, the lungs can inflate and deflate as air moves in and out. That's all for today. Bye-bye! Thanks for watching. Bye! I like it.